Today, I'm going to teach you how to change Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet. This is a fantastic way to visually organize your project timeline and make different tasks or phases stand out at a glance, helping you and your team quickly identify priorities or categories. First, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that contains the project files you want to modify, as this will ensure you have the right access to all your Gantt charts. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet dashboard where all your files are displayed. Now, take a moment to browse through your files and locate the one that has Gantt view enabled. This could be any project sheet you've set up with dates and dependencies. Once you find the right file, click on it to open it up. The sheet will load and you should see your Gantt chart displayed on the right side of the screen, showing the timeline bars for all your tasks. Now that you have your Gantt view open, it's time to customize those colors. All you need to do is right-click directly on any bar in the Gantt chart. This will bring up a small menu with several options. From this menu, click on Color Settings. A color picker will appear, giving you a range of colors to choose from. Go ahead and select the color you want for that specific taskbar. This instantly changes the bar's appearance, making it stand out according to your preference or category system. But what if you want to change multiple bars at once? Smartsheet makes this easy too. Click on one bar in the Gantt chart to select it first. Then, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on another bar you want to include. You can keep holding Control and clicking to select as many bars as you need. Once you've selected all the bars you want to change, right-click on any of the selected bars. Again, click on Color Settings from the menu that appears and choose your desired color. All the selected bars will now update to match the new color you've chosen, creating a cohesive visual grouping. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet, making your project timeline more organized and visually intuitive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.